Show me what you do. Hiccup. You getting tired? Dun 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 dun. Stan! What are you doing? Well, big boy. Alright. Aiden. Say dada. 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 Yeah. Oh God. Say dada. Dada. Say mama. Say nana. 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 No? No, Nana? Nana? Look at his teeth. Look at his teeth. 8 teeth now, y'all. We had the last one cut through this morning. You're happy, aren't you? Yeah. We had to take the pack and play out of the bedroom today. Because I realized when I put him down for bed 20 minutes ago, I heard a crash and ran in there. And he was standing just like he is now, and he yanked all the coat hangers that he could reach out of the closet. So he is no longer, yeah, you little stink butt, no longer, you're so proud of yourself too, aren't you? Yeah, you're gonna bang your head. You're so tall. Yeah. You're so tall. You gonna say Happy Easter? Say Happy Easter! That's fine. No, you can ignore me. Yeah. You gonna give kisses? You gonna give kisses? Good boy. Ow! You gotta watch this finger. You jerk. Alright, say Merry Easter or Happy Easter, whichever. That's fine.